Salam Bangalore. I am Massimegino on your favorite channel Janagra. Today I'm here for a special program Planet Green. What do you mean by Planet Green? Of course, greenery all over and the planet looks neat, clean and tidy. Today I have a special team with me, that is a group of students of the famous institution of Malleshwaram, MES Kishore Kendra. I welcome them. Himabindu, Trishika, Priyanka, Ikram, Nidhi, Sharat, Yashat, Prabhudev and Monish. They are here to tell us something about e-waste and solid waste management. Bangalore is called as Silicon City, Garden City, but let me tell you, Bangalore, which is called is now a garbage city. They are here to tell us something so that we can make our garbage city again a garden city. Each and every house disposes waste. The main problem is solid waste and its management. Now I'll call Priyanka to tell us something about it.
The term waste management refers to collecting and monitoring the waste products. Now I am going to say how the solid waste management in our Bangalore goes on. First, segregation at individual homes, then the Parakarmikas come and collect the waste, then the garbage is transported through lorries to dump sites and compost centers. What is this lady doing here? Does it help her to keep her home clean? Stop wasting resources by mixing. This is what many clean homes do. What do you call this? Nothing but a rubbish mountain. We don't call this a waste. Each bag is full of resources. See how little you throw. Only 10% goes to landfill. This is what you can do. Each category is treated differently. First, compost this individually or in a community. Reuse and recycle this plastic waste. Dispose e-waste safely. Only 10% goes to landfill. You don't need a blue or a red bin. Please adjust Mari. Use whatever is possible. Toxic and hazardous. These must be recycled by correct agencies. Keep e-waste separate from toxic waste. Rejects to send to landfill. Stop using black plastic bags.
Hey Priyanka, did you forget the main part? I'm not going to contribute to this anymore.
Oh wow, that is good.
We want to know what is solid waste and its management. They are here to tell us something about e-waste. So let us know what is e-waste. As I know, e-waste is the most hazardous waste.
E-waste is any unwanted or broken electrical gadget. Great care must be taken to avoid unsafe exposure in recycling operations from landfill. Even in developed countries, recycling and disposal of e-waste has caused a lot of risk to their workers. E-waste is very toxic and must be disposed carefully.
As she said, e-waste is the most hazardous and toxic waste. So there must be problems of e-waste. Let us now know what are the problems.
Good morning. Filling landfills, large quantities of trash. E-waste is difficult to recycle. Legal frameworks and proper collection system is missing. Improper working conditions are done for recycling. Thank you.
We got to know what are the problems. When there are problems, there must be something causing it. So let us know what are the causes of the problems.
Causes of the problem with more and more electronic integral to our lives and connect our businesses. How these products are disposed of is a great concern for the nation. With more and more high level of toxicity of electric goods, proper disposal is imperative to prevent the pollution of land, water and air.
I think something is missing. Now let us have a refreshing song.
The world in your hand, and I know that you can change it. And this place could be much better than today. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no heart or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little change for a better place. Save the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire race. There are people dying because of the waste growing. Make a little change for you and for me. You and for me. You and for me.
Thank you everybody. Now when there are problems, there should be some solutions for it. According to them, let us know what are the solutions.
Solutions are, we can donate our operable computers to schools and any other foundation. We can also recycle e-waste by sending it to the recyclers. It also involves business recycling. We can also spread awareness among people about the
We got to know what are the solutions according to them. Now let us know from them why they think these solutions will work.
Yes, of course, these solutions will work because in many cities in USA they use electronic waste to construct roads, and even in our city there are many recyclers like ash recyclers and Sahas. They are taking initiative to recycle the waste. Thank you.
Actually, inside initiative, I would like to tell the initiative taken by the Samsung company. The Samsung company's general manager for Southeast Asia, Ruchika Batra, has said that he will take back all the Samsung products from the mobile phones to the washing machines at the 219 collection centers in India. Now, we got to know what are the solutions and why they think the solutions will work. I think so. The waste must be recycled and be carefully separated. And to make it more clear to you, I have a skit now.
I'm not going to clean everything. You are not helping me at all. Okay, help me by throwing this waste. And even this bulb is not working. Take it and dump it in the dumpster.
Hey dude, what's going on there?
The e-waste collecting center and all are throwing the e-waste here because it is very hazardous and contaminates the food.
Yeah, I also have e-waste in my bag. From today, I will also collect the e-waste in e-waste collection center. Thank you.
We the students of NS Kishore Kendra take an oath that we will segregate our waste and dispose our e-waste carefully.
We got to know how important it is to segregate waste and dispose e-waste. Now, it's time to end the program, and I would like to tell you could be the one Earth is waiting for.
You could be the one, you could be the one, you could be the one Earth is waiting for. You could be the one, you could be the one, you could be the one Earth is waiting for. We are drowning in this huge fight. Pull us up and don't let us cry. Stop and think and make Earth green. You could be the one, you could be the one, you could be the one Earth is waiting for.
Thank you, everybody.